Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username. Be sure watch the video till the end and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. First open your Instagram app and then go to the bottom right hand corner in the screen and press your profile photo and then click the three lines in the upper right hand corner and then click settings and privacy and then click account center and then click profiles and select your Instagram account, and if you want to change your name just click on name and just rename the name and click save button. So guys, this is the way how to change your Instagram username. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.